not just another part of Asia. It is just possible that scholar Jews in Spain who were themselves quite aware of the existence of new lands in the Western Sea financed Columbus' voyages on exploration to provide themselves with a refuge from mounting anti-Semitism and Catholic linguism. In in 500 in 1500s and 15 in 1501 and 1503, a Florentine navigator named Virgo Virgo Vespucci made voyages of exploration to the eastern coast of the South America. His observations were circulated in a series of publicated letters. Vespucci was the first European to refer to this hemisphere as as Mundus knows, the New World, based upon his own voyages and astronomical observations made off the coast of South America. Vespucci was also the first to discern that the mass discovered by Columbus could not be a part of Asia, but was indeed a fourth and hitherto unknown continental. The observation the heads will hurt that the earth was greater in circumference than thought. Vespucci further manufactured that Asia could be reached by sailing south round the tip of this newly discovered continent. It is also interesting to note that near the end of the 15th century, Vespucci was in ships of Columbus. A cartographer named Martin Waldseemüller was greatly impressed by Vespucci's letters, and when Waldseemann published a book of maps in 1507, he called the book the New Continent America. He called the book America's Land, or America. This term was at first used with South America only, but was later applied to both continents. The divisions of new lands. The world became a virtual battleground between the countries of Spain and Portugal in their zeal for establishing claims in the newly discovered lands in both the western and eastern hemisphere. Actual war appeared imminent between those two major powers. In the attempt to prevent open conflict, Pope Alexander V issued a papal edict which divided the world into two equal spheres of influence in 1494. The two protagonists signed the Treaty of Tordesillas, which established a formal line of demarcation in accordance with papal decree. Most of the Western Hemisphere went to Spain when Portugal Veld cast territories in Africa, India, the area we call Brazil.